Today is my update for my pan nose polishes, which I am so excited about because I was able to make really good progress last month, so I'm excited to share that with you guys today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. If you enjoy project panning content, empties, vlogs, lifestyle videos, clothing try-ons, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And without further ado, let's get into the updates that I made in June for my Pan Those polishes. So last month I rolled in 2 shades. You're seeing 3. Yes, if you watched that video, I was supposed to be using this one. However, somehow I messed it up in my head and I thought I was supposed to use this one. So anyway, for the month of June, I ended up using these 2. So Coral Reef was the first one, and I was supposed to use this 2 times, and I did, so I am going to be rolling it out today. So my usage goal for Mauve Over was supposed to be 5 times, but I only used it twice in the month of June, so it is going to be staying in here in July, which I'm fine with because I really like the shade anyway. So that means today I am going to be rolling another shade in, either for a usage goal or to finish it. So I did update the picture, as you guys can see, so it is now going to be 1 through 6 instead of 1 through 7 because I did finish one previously. Alright, so I am going to go on and roll a number from 1 through 6 and we will see what I'm going to be working with. So 1 through 6. Number 2. Let's see what number 2 is. Oh, that's going to be really fun. It's going to finally switch some things up here. So I rolled in the Orly nail polish. I don't know the shade name. I can't find it on here, but it is this really nice blue color. It does have like sparkles to it, which I'm excited about because it's not just going to be matte. So this one I have told myself, if I roll this in, it'll be to use it up. So for the rest of the year, I am going to focus on using this up. I do have about half of this left, and I feel like we're in like a good season to use this up. Like the summertime blue is perfect. The fall, maybe not so much, but winter not so bad. So anyway, I feel like we are in like a good time to start using it, to use it up, and if I would be able to use this up, it would be really, really nice. So for the month of July, this one will be in here until it's done, which I'm really curious to see how many uses it will be until it's done. And then this one is a usage goal of 3 because last month I only used it twice. I'm really excited to see how long it's going to take me to use this, and the fun part about this is I'm able to roll in a second polish along with it. So let's say I do get bored of the blue, or for whatever reason blue just isn't what I'm feeling, I can roll in the other polish to use and still work on something else. Because this is to be used up, I have more time to use it than I would with a usage goal. So I'm really, really excited about this. I am about halfway done, so let me know in the comments down below if you think I'd be able to finish this by the end of December. But that will be it for today's video. If you want to see next month's update, make sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to leave that comment on what you think will happen with this. I am going to push for this one to be done by the end of the year. If that means my toes are going to be blue all the time, that means my toes are going to be blue all the time. It doesn't matter what season, it doesn't matter what holiday, it doesn't matter. But I feel like this will be a fun push to get another one out of my collection, and if I'd be able to get 2 out this year, that would be huge, because last year I finished one, this year I finished one, and I'd really be excited to finish another. So that is it for today's update, and I will see you all in the next one very, very soon. Bye.